Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. So, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, 2 layers. Let's see what's. Qu'est-ce que vous nous mijotez? What's in it? Oh, thank you for your purchase and support for our business. You've made our day. I hope you love your products. Miccilo. Miccilo or Miccilo? Miccilo. So this is a winner unboxing. I will not do it. Oh, I can do it. This way, the tape can be the packaging can be reused. Okay. It's too good packaging. Oh, so I got a message from them. Would you like to try this one? And this is free. And I said I usually do not use, but doesn't hurt. Oh, I like this little. I like this little packaging, and it's 3 colors. Let's see how it works. This seems the same. Oh no, a little bit different. Don't you think so? The lighting is a little bit cold, so you do not really feel it. Oh, the 3 colors are a little bit different. So this one is 102 nude, and this one is buff, but beige. No, buff, not a but. And this one is Miccilo sand. Okay, here is my hand. My hand is usually my skin color, face color. I get a little bit tanned. This is nude. Wow, a little bit. Oh, it covers, right? Oh, I put too much. It's a little bit too bright. You need to turn a little bit. Oh, this looks a little bit closer, right? So you can actually blend them together, right? Yeah, this one is warmer. And now the third one, the darkest. Oh, you need to shake. turn a little bit. This one is lock. This one you turn, you can get it out. Yeah, see? Oh, this is a kind of my skin color. But anyway, you can blend the three together. Oh, they are so covering. You need a teeny tiny little drop will be good. This is, my color is not that yellow and not that white. It's actually in between of them. That is good. So tomorrow I will do makeup and you can see it. Anyway, I like it, the little, and it's very covering. As you can see, it's so covering. And I like this kind of little little containers. I need to see, open it up to see how it is. Ah, just like that. Anyway, you make it dirty. I do not like to see it dirty. Clean it up. So you can lock it. And now I opened it. And going this way, you lock it. You cannot even press down. It's very covering. And goes to right to lock. So when you travel, it will be locked. And go to left, it can get out. See? And go to right, it's completely locked. That's so smart. I love it. I love it. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you. Oh, very, very, very much. And they are not too expensive. They are not expensive at all. And it's quite covering. See, it feels, it does not feel heavy. It does not feel waxy. It does not feel a layer of something. And maybe I applied too much, but oh, it covers all my skin, my beauty spots. You will be disappointed that there is nothing to count on my face when I use this. Oh, isn't it fun to count 1, 2, 3, 4 my freckles on the face? Anyway, thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I see, you can see this. I love you. I really do. Do. Miccilo or Miccilo. Miccilo. Full coverage. Definitely full coverage. They are all full coverage. It's not it's really for makeup, I think. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.